Hi, I'm Sam from Danells, and today I'd like to show you our unique LED powered battery string lights. These come in a variety of different forms, and the great thing about them is that they are bendable, so you can sculpt them into shape. And as you can see here, as I wrap around my fingers, they will retain their shape. So they're fantastic for putting indoors into a large vase. And as you can see, this one here is filled with the LED lights. And because they do retain their shape when you wind them around an object, you can see here that I've made this lovely sign where we've just twined them round all the way through, and it makes it look really special and bright. So these come in a variety of different light numbers. So that's the LED lights on the string, and they come in everything from a 10 pack, then we've got a 20, a 40, a 60, up to 100. The great feature about these is they have an automated feature, which is a timer. So if you switch them onto the timer mode, then they will actually just stay on for 6 hours. So say you came in at 4 o'clock in the afternoon, then they would switch off at 10 o'clock at night. And that's great because that saves the power on your batteries. We also have a 10 pack here, which has a very small battery unit in the back. So just to show you how hidden away this is, you can see here on this picture, we've simply taped it to the back and just wrapped the wire around the frame, and I think you'll agree that that looks really, really nice. Another way that you can use those is also on a hanging picture. So the hanging picture here has exactly the same, and all we've done is sculpted the lights around the trio of pictures and then just attached the battery pack unit to the back. So we also do these in an outdoor range, and as you can see here, we have an outdoor lantern that we filled up with the LED lights. And just to show you the battery pack, so this clips open, and it also has a waterproof rubber seal around the outside. The great thing about this one is that it also comes with a remote control. And the remote control, you can either turn the lights on and off, and you also have a series of different light sequences as well using the remote. So you can just change those over just at the push of a button by pointing it at the light set. There is also a dimmer switch on here as well. So I'm just going to put it onto the permanently on setting, and then you can make those brighter or you can just dim them down. So it's a really nice feature to have in your garden. You might want to put it around your favourite tree, around a trellising, around the base of your outdoor umbrella. Great for garden parties or sort of winter parties, whatever you want to do. These are a really lovely product. This also has the outdoor timer on as well. So exactly the same, you'll be able to click the timer button and that registers the time that you've switched them on, and then again it will switch off after 6 hours. We also have the Edison bulb light range here as well, and these are for use indoor, really pretty in that kind of old-fashioned shabby chic style. So all of these are available from our website. So if you'd like some more details, please click on. And we hope that we've inspired you today to light up your home with our creative and fun lights.